Alright, man, back out here at the auction. Got a couple of them. Got a few vehicles out here I want to check out. And obviously this one, 1966 Ford Thunder Chicken. I like these Thunderbirds, man. Been sitting up for a good while though. Let's check it out real quick. It's broken right here, dang it. She got a nice little dent on that door. Just dings everywhere. Been repainted, you can tell. She did have the top on it. Oh man, this has Bondo all on top of it. Jeez. I haven't looked inside. She's probably all rusted from the roof. There's the VIN on it. Sorry about the wind, but it's windy and cold here today. Can't get in the trunk. They don't have the keys. They don't leave the keys here at this yard. I mean, at this auction. Fairly straight looking, but man, I bet she's got a lot of Bondo. I can see it down here. Look at that. I don't know, 50-50 it goes to the junkyards or somebody, or somebody buys it, but yeah. Oops. Inside she's rough, man. I like the seats though, man. These are some really nice looking cars when they're in better shape than this. I mean, love the dash layouts on them. Yeah. This is an AC car. Disc brakes. I don't know how the floor is. You could tell like rodent's been living in it. Yeah, she's rough. The overhead little console deal going on there. That's cool. One of these is a button, which is that one right there. That one, yeah. What's that one? The flasher. Yeah. Oh, let me go up here because then right there. That, oh, crap. There you go. That one. Anyways, yeah. I really like these cars, but man, this. Oh, she's got power driver's seat on the bucket here. Anything in there? No. I know this flips out like that or down. I mean up. Yeah, they were messing with this car, but they never. I guess they just let it sit for way too long. Shame. It's got the swing away column there. But I'm sure a lot of guys already know this. I think all the glass is good on it. I wouldn't be surprised to see this in the yard though, in the junkyard. Seats are nice though, man. These front ones are alright. You saw that. The trim on them. Obviously these were power windows. Yeah, that windshield's in good shape too. And hit there. It's a rough car. Uh-oh. Yeah, she's a rough one, man. Look at all that rat poop. This has the Z code 390. What are they? 300, 320, somewhere around there. The horsepower. She got cruise control. Oh. Yeah, she's Like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if I saw this one in the yard, in the junkyard. But I never know. Thing is with these cars, man, they just, it costs too much. These cost a lot to restore, and they just don't bring that much in. You know, I see them here often, you know, at good prices for decent ones. So, all right, man, what do you think this one will go for? On to that one back over there. That one's cool.
And I want you to know, I know exactly where I was in 1966. In November. I don't know if the production date on this was November 9th, but in 1966, I know exactly where I was. All right, let's go. 500, 600, 700, 700, 700, make it out, 800, 800, 800, 800, get out, 800, 800, worth a whole lot more money here, 800, 800, get out, 800, what do we wait for here, 800, someone's not thinking right, 800, 800, go find yourself one of these that's even got 4 wheels attached to it. 800, 800, 8, and find it for $800. 900. This train left the station, man. You need to get on board. 800, 900, 900. And if you're out, let's go. 9,000, 1,000, 1,000, $1,000 for once. $1,000, 11. We should not even be in the thinking phase right now. 1,100. 11. Oh, you shouldn't have. 1,100. Get rid of 1,000. 1,100 last call. Fair way. 1,100 I have. Sold. $1,000.
All right.